that? What is the meaning of that? You don't like?
Good morning. Sarap ng pwesto ng paa.
Wow! Napakalinis na mukha.
Yun. Ayaw. Like it? Just approve. Approve.
Tingin mo sa matamis. Yun ang unang matamis na makitikman na banana. Tamis na. Harap. So yummy. So yummy, no?
That? What is the meaning of that? You don't like? Yun na. You put that in your mouth. Try now to put it in your mouth. Yan. Okay, you don't like that? More?
Why are you touching my hand?
You don't like that? Mainit.
What are you holding? Good morning. Sarap ng pwesto ng paa. Good morning. Kapit na kapit ang iyong kamay, Damaski. Kaya kay mami, good morning. Are you sleepy? Oh, singkit ka lang talaga. Yun. Tara. Come. Come here. Para yung bantay mo. Tulog.
Cream pie. Ayan, ito carrots with egg. Okay. The other spoon. Ilan? Hold on. Cha na. Diba, cha na? Ilan? Hold your spoon. Okay. Put it in your mouth. Yeah. How was it?
You love it?
How was it? Eat na. Yeah.
You look happy. Is happy malaba.
Lagyan natin. Ayan na. Put it in your mouth now. Ako mo naman. You have 2 spoons na. Gusto niya yun.
Bawang pa rin siya. Yummy? Carrots lang.
Carrot with boiled egg.
Yummy?
Yeah, we like it. Like it? Ooh. Kaya mo siya magkalat, mag-explore din.
Oo.
Oh, drama. Sige, kalat ka dyan. Okay lang yan.
Ako dati hindi ako ganyan.
Hindi daw ganito.
Dati maayos na ako dati nung ganyan ako 6 months.
You hold your own spoon.
Dati kasi nung 6 months ako, formal na ako eh. Nalalaga, stainless. Sapi.
Ayaw niya. Gusto niya siya lang. Ilan? Drink water.
Wow. Uy,
Love yun, right?
drinking water?
Dimchoy?
Gripo yan.
Grabe ka naman. Very good.
Dimsum.
Ayun o, binalaro nga niya.
All goods ah. All goods tayo dyan.
You want more?
Wow! Naubos yung food. May onti na lang oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Uy, siya pa. Wow! Napakalinis na mukha. So clean.
Yes. You hold your spoon. Okay lang yan maging madumi. Sige lang. So, mag-explore ka. O yan. Gusto niya pa kumain. Akala ko mag-shower na tayo.